Do you smell raw fuel while driving? Notice black smoke coming from your exhaust? Or maybe your engine just feels sluggish and oily? These are classic signs that your engine is struggling to breathe properly, and you might be dealing with code P051D. This code stands for Crankcase Pressure Sensor Circuit High. Your engine is a high-pressure environment, and as the pistons move, they create internal pressure and fumes that need to be vented and recycled. That is the job of the positive crankcase ventilation, or PCV system. The crankcase pressure sensor tells the engine computer exactly what is happening inside, so it can manage those fumes and protect your seals. If this voltage signal goes too high, the computer throws this code. This is not something to ignore, because if that pressure builds up, it can blow out your oil seals, valve cover gaskets, and cause massive oil leaks. The first thing you should do is pop the hood and take off your oil filler cap. Look underneath it. Do you see thick black sludge? Sludge is a sensor killer. If you've been skipping oil changes or running cheap oil for too long, that sludge can clog the sensor and the PCV system. A clogged PCV valve alone can trigger this. Another huge factor is the wiring. These sensors are often mounted directly on the engine block, sometimes uncomfortably close to the scorching hot exhaust manifold. The heat can bake the wire insulation until it cracks and shorts out. Grab your multimeter and check the sensor values against the manufacturer's specifications. If the wiring is intact and your engine is clean of sludge, the sensor itself has likely failed internally. But honestly, start with the basics. Check your oil level and quality first, because sometimes a simple oil change and a new PCV valve are all you need to clear that light and get your engine breathing healthy again.